Hi Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies for Capricorn? Messages and energies for Capricorn. Capricorn. For Capricorn. Savings. You always need to put something off for a bad day. Create savings for the future. This is one message for you, Capricorn. Spend wisely. Kailangan rin magtabi para sa sarili at para sa future mo. No matter what. Another energy is power. You have the power to take control of your life, career, and finances. Focus on your needs. Focus on your needs, Capricorn. Okay. Be a wise spender, most especially on your finances. So, not so much with the wants, okay? Kung ano yung mga kailangan, as much as possible, yun lang yung kailangan mo i-spend, magtira para sa sarili. Transformation, changes is the natural order of things. Don't be afraid of the unknown, okay? May nakaambang na mga changes or necessary changes na mangyayari in your situation. In one way or another, it will help you to grow further or to develop yourself. May mga lessons na makukuha sa mga changes na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Even a change of mindset, change in beliefs and perception. Okay, so be aware of that, Capricorn. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot. For Capricorn, please, Capricorn. Capricorn. Messages from Capricorn, please. Capricorn. May mga changes na hindi mo inaasahan or may matutuklasan ka or malalaman na hindi mo in-expect, Capricorn. Maybe you will get a communication from a water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. But this is the energy of a Scorpio. It's offering you an opportunity or expansion and growth. Career-wise, okay, sa trabaho man, or sa mga creativity ninyo, passion project, personal projects, okay? It has the potential to grow. Kung ano man yung mga ginagawa ninyo, like projects, mga task, okay, na medyo nahirapan kayo sa umpisa. Now, matatapos yun na and you have that sense of fulfillment in yourself, Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo, you have experienced surprises or mga hindi inasahan na events or pangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Like sa trabaho mo or sa ginagawa mo. Nabigyan ka ng solusyon, you were given the advice or information from someone, okay? And now you have that solution and you are completing the problem. You are completing the project, Capricorn. Okay? May magandang resulta or pangyayari na inyong inaasahan. You are looking forward to it. Joyous time will come. Okay, Capricorn? Mayroong sense of fulfillment kayong mararamdaman and you will be looking forward for the future. The situation calls you to work hard, analyze, review the situation, okay, the processes. Kailangan ng inyong focus and dedication towards that goal or towards that task or work. Okay. You need to know the pros and cons, the advantages and the disadvantages. Kailangan mong malaman yun. Okay. Napapagod na kayo para ang daming gagawin but you are not losing hope. Capricorn, okay? Merong pag-asa, merong new beginnings for you. Something exciting, okay? Makakabawi kayo sa inyong pinaghirapan, sa inyong paghihirap or difficulties na pinagdaanan. Yeah. You have to decide on things. Okay? May mga tinitingnan kayo na mga paraan, okay, or solution for you to move forward. Changes will come, okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng stability sa inyong ginagawa. May mga unexpected things na mangyayari. Okay, may mga biglang changes. In mind, you really want to be successful. You really want to improve your financial status. Okay? May mga iniisip kayo na if you're going to do this, it will require you a lot of your energy. Okay? And that is something na disappointing sa part ninyo. Okay? But things will improve, Capricorn. Do not lose hope. Keep moving forward. Keep your eyes on the prize, Capricorn. Makakamtan mo ang inyong happiness. Okay, you have to overcome all those disappointments. You have to heal. Okay, and learn from that lesson. Okay. Okay, learn lesson from that experience. From those disappointments or things not working out on your favor. Okay. You have to move past that. You have to overcome the challenges and you will. Merong pag-asa, okay? Mabubuhayan kayo ng pag-asa uli and you will be looking forward to it. An exciting event, an exciting opportunity. Okay? You have to prepare yourself from the challenges that will come along the way. Yeah, may bagong paraan. Okay, you will know something or an information that will keep you to move forward. An information also, an information or a chance for you to earn. Nabubuhayan kayo ng pag-asa, okay? Yeah. You will get your independence and freedom, Capricorn. Just believe in yourself. Maniwala kayo sa inyong kakayahan. Okay, magkakaroon kayo ng happiness or freedom. It feels na para bang alam ko na yung mga gagawin sa susunod. Okay? These opportunities will give you independence. Capricorn. Okay? Kakayanin mo na ikaw lang mag-isa, yung mga susunod na hakbang. Because you have all that you need. You just need to move forward. Okay? You need to carry on. Whatever disappointments or sadness na naramdaman ninyo, okay, you will be able to overcome it. Okay? So, believe in yourself. Keep on moving forward. Okay? Everything will be okay. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung let's see from the number card. What do you have for Capricorn? Capricorn. Number 10. If you keep seeing the number 10, okay, repetitive, or number 10, you have great leadership skills. Okay, ito yung pinapahiwatig sa inyo. Your mind is sharp and allows you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details, then direct others how to carry things out. I am ingenious. Okay. One more. 12. If you are seeing this number, it is saying to you, stay focused on your best possible future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are right behind you as you turn your dreams into reality. I am focused, okay? So, focus, Capricorn. Be positive. Wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, Capricorn. Another number for Capricorn, please. Message for Capricorn. 1. You are a self-starter with very innovative ways of creating opportunity. Your determination and endurance are powerful and will help you get through rough times and reach success. I am innovative. Okay? So, believe in yourself. Be positive. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Keep moving. Okay? Keep moving forward, Capricorn. So, that is the message for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!